So sir, अब हम इस conversation के जो final एक हमारा जो segment है जिसमें I mean we have had enough talk and conversation about hotel business, COVID-19, people's network, hotel में अपने जितना भी था. I want to know, I want to have more information about Mr. Umesh Dalal. I want to know his personal likings. I want to know what he prefers when it comes to the food, what he prefers when it comes to the restaurant, and many other things. So, starting with food preference only. I mean, you come from Haryana, right? And
I actually come from UP, so I'm Jat. And
okay,
as you say, all Jats came from Haryana. So I'm sure my forefathers would have come from Haryana at some point.
right.
But I am a Jat from UP, from
Okay,
Bulandshahr.
I thought you were living in Gurgaon, so that's why I thought you were from Haryana only. It was always in.
Many people think that way, so I don't blame you. But yeah, I'm Jat from UP, from Bulandshahr.
Okay, okay. So, sir, first thing is okay. Leave the food aside right now. First thing is your communication. Your communication is so. I mean, I don't have a right now the exact word, but it is something that I always very. It is very enticing. Every time you talk, every time you say something, you have a very great command on your communication skills. So I'm sorry I'm saying this here on social media, but I have not seen many people coming from Haryana or from a UP from such background has such a decent and great communication command. So if I ask you who, I mean, which school or how do you get
So
hold of it?
I'll tell you, and then I'll leave you to equate this. So some of the shocking facts are, Ganga, that up till sixth standard, I could not properly write a sentence in English. I could barely hold a conversation in English. As I said, I mean, yeah, we came from a very humble background. We are six siblings. I happen to be the youngest one. But I mean, my father came from our village, which is in UP. Many years back, he worked in AIMS. Mother was housewife. So although there was an academic pressure, but with all regards to them, they didn't know how could they academically make us sound, or how could they academically help us out to become to become a better individual. So up till six, I had no clue which way I'm gonna go. One person who holds high regard for in my life is my eldest brother, who हमारे यहाँ पे भाई साहब बोलते हैं. So I refer to him as भाई साहब. So 7th standard से मैं भाई साहब के साथ रहने चला गया, और फिर उन्होंने जो मेरी रील बनाई, and the result that you see is this.
Fantastic.
So he used to, every day you had to read, write, and everything that you basically could input. So he's invested a lot into me to get to where I am. So that's how this.
Like this conversation has multiple fold. Your personality also has a multiple fold. So when you joined and when I started having conversation with you initially, so I used to look at you, the most polished and a class apart person is one of our F&B manager. One day I entered to your office and you're talking to your bhai sahab in your hate language. मैंने कहा ये आदमी वही है जो हमारा बहुत है या ये कोई और है. तो आज उस दिन मैंने आपसे पूछा भी था. मैंने कहा सर ये तो आपकी लैंग्वेज या जो आप
ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
वो मुझे बड़ा सरप्राइज भी हुआ उस तरीके से मेरे को सुन करके.
But that's even today, Ganga. When we are at home, मतलब मैं तो अभी भी बहुत कुछ अपने गांव के डायलेक्ट में बोलता हूँ, and I love talking it that way. और हिंदी में अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहे हैं, but I'm never this way, or I'm never the way I'm seen at work. I in fact sometimes wonder how casually or for granted I get taken, especially by my wife. I look at her sometimes and I say to her, "Do you realize that I actually hold a position? I've earned something in my life." And she says, "तुमने जो earn करा है वो होटल में करा है. यहाँ तुम जैसे हो वैसे हो."
Well said.
So yeah, different facets.
Great, sir. So I'm coming back to my same question. The first question,
Yeah.
your favorite food. I mean, apart from Indian, if I have to ask you, which other cuisine you like the most, you enjoy the most?
So, cuisine तो बहुत bookish रहेगा, but I will talk to you about cuisine. I mean, when you talk about cuisine, if somebody was to ask me what is my favorite cuisine, I would talk about Italian. I love Italian food. Purely क्योंकि उनका भी थोड़ी सी कुकिंग हमारी इंडियन कुकिंग से हल्की फुल्की मिलती जुलती है, in the sense that they use a lot of tomato in their cooking. They can add pepper, and they use a lot of freshness of herbs, garlic, thyme. So from that regard, on a palate perspective, I like the versatility on the cuisine, and I think there's so much more that can be done. But if you talk about food per se, I gag for home cooked food. And I think it's probably the same for a lot of other hoteliers. पर जो घर का बना खाना है ना, उससे ज्यादा बढ़ के जो संतुष्टि है वो किसी में नहीं है. एंड अब मेरे को लगभग 1 साल हो जाएगा घर से दूर रहते हुए, बट व्हेन आई गो होम, आई ईट एट होम. ऑफ वाले दिन घर वाले बोलते हैं हमें बाहर जाना है, आई गो आउट विद देम, आई ऑल्सो ईट. बट आई टेल, वी ऑलवेज से एक मील घर पे होएगा. That could be either lunch or dinner, or it has to be proper, well-cooked breakfast. And my wife loves cooking. So for me, when it comes to food, or what would I love to, it's ghar ka khana all the time. But when you go for cuisine, Italian is what I would always love.
Any specific dish जो आपके घर में बनती हो, जो सबसे, या वाइफ के हाथ की बनी हुई कोई दाल या कोई सब्जी जो सबसे ज्यादा पसंद हो?
अब मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. A couple of our favorites is she makes an egg curry with plain steamed rice, जो टिपिकल हमारा लंच होता है इन अ वीकेंड, और मैं उसको एकदम एकदम हाथ से खाता हूँ. आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ नॉट यूजिंग स्पून और कटलरी व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंडियन फूड. एकदम अच्छे से हाथ से खाता हूँ, एंड आई एंजॉय दैट थॉरली. एक हम बनाते हैं पूरी और भंडारे वाली सब्जी संडे को कई बार. So we just make that as a breakfast at home. And that's a nice breakfast that we have. Apart from that, मेरे घर में लगभग इतनी किताबें हैं कुकिंग के ऊपर. Oh yes, we can have conversations about menu, about what are we going to eat, क्या बनेगा क्या.
I thought आप प्रमोशन सिर्फ होटल में करते हो, आज पता था घर में भी करते हो आप.
घर में majority of the times you're talking about what's gonna get cooked, क्या होगा क्या बनेगा, और ये ट्राई करते हैं वो ट्राई. More than me, I think it's my wife who's so much into cooking that I actually draw that little bit of an inspiration to see कि यार लोग actually घर में इतना खाना बनाते हैं. They want to learn about food, they want to know about, and my role in all of this is a taster. तो मेरे को बोलती है अब ये बताओ, और मैं ऑब्वियसली उसमें काफी मीन मेक निकालता हूँ. तो आई गेट, कई बार मेरा फीडबैक सीरियसली लिया जाता है, कई बार मेरा बोला जाता है कि अब चुप हो जाओ, बहुत हो गया.
फीडबैक का जीएसटीएस तो नहीं है कहीं? जीएसटीएस फॉर्म तो नहीं है कहीं वहाँ पे फीडबैक के लिए?
No GSTS yet.
Sir, tell me about your engagement with this new age social media application. How much time, और कौन-कौन सी ऐसी एप्लीकेशन है जो आपको ज्यादा, जिसमें आप एंगेज रहते हो, लाइक फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, और या कोई और यूके में कोई अवेलेबल है जो सोशल नेटवर्किंग एप्लीकेशंस हैं? तो कौन सी फीचर्स सबसे ज्यादा आपको, मतलब आज की डेट के हिसाब से जो बहुत अच्छे कूल हैं जिसको बोलते हैं, या आप जिनको यूज करते हो?
I think worldwide level पे तो गंगा यही तीन है, but I also have a confession to make here, is that I've been wanting to get very active on Twitter, which I haven't. Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I mean, from what I understand and what I've been told, Insta is in, or that's what you got to be doing in today's day and time. I'm still stuck on Facebook. I have used Facebook extensively, and I do use Facebook even now. I'm little orthodox from sharing a lot of information from a personal perspective on Facebook, but not that I don't appreciate people doing that. By all means, people must do that. But I think it's a great network for people to stay connected. जैसे हम लोग I mean, we've always been connected on Facebook, but you have that comfort at the back of your mind कि आपको हमेशा किसी का फोन नंबर लेके घूमने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can literally ping the person on a social media today, and you will find them out somewhere or the other. I mean, Insta and Twitter again are very, very powerful, very resourceful, and I think we should be using them to the best of our ability. There aren't any other social media platforms which I would talk about from UK market, but there are a lot of F&B platforms which do get used here, which are either non-existent in Indian market yet, or probably will come in times to come. And I think that's one of the difference that I see कि हमारे इंडिया में जब हम F&B स्पेस में काम कर रहे हैं और when we are looking at F&B, हमारा ऑटोमेशन या टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट इतना नहीं हुआ है जितना मे बी वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में हो चुका है. So here they've already advanced into online bookings, online payments, looking at your productivity, integration of reservation system with your point of sale and all of that. वो advancement काफी अच्छा है, and I think it'll be nice if we also accept that and pursue that in our Indian hotels. It will help us to gain more understanding of our business.
Great. So, do you think that you are a shopaholic? Do you shop?
I'm a shopaholic. मैं उल्टा हूँ यार एकदम. I'm accused of being कंजूस, and I'm saying this on this platform.
That's the truth,
but yeah, I mean, if it's not needed to spend, I will not spend, and I really don't know why should I spend. But no, I'm not shopaholic at all. I mean, if I will go out, I will think many times before I'll buy something. अगर मेरे को एकदम जरूरत है तो मैं खरीदूंगा. Otherwise, I'll refrain from buying it. मतलब, I don't really see a point. Why should I buy it? जरूरत है तो हाँ, I'll buy it. But otherwise, I will refrain totally. So much so that I am normally forced to go and say कि अब ये खरीद. In fact, मेरे जो काम वाले कपड़े होते हैं ना, I wear them also to weddings because हम इतने तो तैयार व्यार होके रहते हैं हर काम पे. Normally people are having to dress up to go for a wedding. We always come to work as if we're going to attend a wedding. So you don't really have to go and invest or spend more money to go and attend a function. So I normally don't waste resources or use resources where I shouldn't. So no, I'm not a shop alcoholic at all, Ganga.
Okay. So rank these area of interest in order of preferences. So books, movies, music, sports. I mean, as per you or as per you.
So you said books.
I said books, movies, music, and sports. Area of interest.
First will be movies.
Right.
Hollywood, Bollywood. Hollywood में वो दिल वाली feel नहीं आती है.
Great.
So I could watch a Hollywood movie, but if it is for me, I love watching Bollywood. और पुरानी हो तो और भी अच्छा है. But I love a nice Bollywood movie. Music, I mean, I'll just put on a music on a Sunday. In fact, we bought a caravan, and that's my go-to on a weekend. Put that on, make a nice drink, sit down. I won't elaborate any more on that. But yeah, movie, music, books, and sports. Sports is the the last for me.
Actually, sports. Okay, you don't watch much of cricket or anything else. You don't like
No.
it.
I mean, anything to do with sports is, if I really have to because it's work related, I will. But it's not something that I enjoy. It's not my cup of tea.
Okay. So while you were here in India, the one restaurant you like the most, and it can be a bar, restaurant, or a cafe in any part of the city, maybe Gurgaon, Faridabad, Delhi, Noida, any one that you like the most.
There's so many, one restaurant I particularly like. I'll actually name two, but I'll name my second favorite later. The first is Tonino, which is on the MG Road, Chhatarpur. As you go on the MG Road, there's a standalone restaurant called Tonino. I think they've also opened a Tonino cafe and bar करके कुछ खोला है उन्होंने. But this
Sure.
particular restaurant, which is on MG Road, Italian restaurant, is amazing. And if I could, I'll meet the owner one day. Their food is amazing. The ambience is lovely. They've tried to kind of create a little mini Italy in that restaurant. बाहर छोटा सा उनका अल्फ्रेस्को है, अंदर एकदम प्रॉपर फाइन डाइनिंग है, और उन्होंने वो कलर स्कीम और विंडो पूरी they've tried to match the architecture from Italy, and they've done it
Wow.
very beautifully. बहुत प्यारा restaurant है. And the second one that I'm very fond of is Singh Sahib. I didn't say that first
Me
because
too.
because I think that's going to be a bit of a cliche, and people
Yeah.
think just purely because I work there. But I love that restaurant. I absolutely love that restaurant. I think Singh Sahib का खाना, वहाँ का ambience, वहाँ पे वो classical music चल रहा है, और the whole thing about that restaurant is very magical. You sit down there and you could, in fact, जब मेरी MOD होती थी तो many a times I would
I was
sit down.
about to say this. I was about to say, I have seen many times sitting on table number, I think it was 30, 31 by the window, holding your book and,
Exactly.
enjoying
Yeah.
music and enjoying food. I've seen you
So
many times there.
after I finished my MOD rounds, everything is done. That is my winding down. I'll sit by the window, have my book, listen to that music, read that book, enjoy the food. Very serene, beautiful. It's just a whole package and altogether. I think I've only gone once after I left Eros, but if that restaurant remains, I'm there forever.
Since you mentioned Singh Saab ka khana, your favorite dish from the menu, you have to say it here.
Yeah, I don't think I've tried anything which is bad on Singh Saib menu, but the ram that they have, एक तंदूरी कुकर होता था बहुत पहले, which we took off the menu, जो बहुत बहुत ही अच्छा था, and then the seekh kebab that they do, amazing. In fact, कई बहुत बार हम लोग सीख कबाब और साथ पीली दाल और या तो लच्छा पराठा या रोटी या नान कुछ भी एक उसके साथ, that used to be the lunch. But yeah, I mean, you can't fault Singh Sahib's food. Amazing.
Right. So, sir, I think we had a really great and a long conversation here today. Is there anything that you want to share about anything that comes from Dilse before we end this conversation, before we end this call? You want to say to your audience, to your people?
All I would say, Ganga, is it's been amazing to reconnect with you after all these years. I mean, we worked together closely, and I appreciate you for what you are. And I wish you all the best, Dilse, for this new endeavor that you're doing. And my best wishes to everyone, and a request in these times for all the people out there in hospitality to stay united, stay together. This time too shall pass, and we will come out of the spectrum with flying colors. So let's all do the best. And as they say, in the times of difficulty, take his name and everything is gonna get through. So with that, thank you very much, Ganga. It's been an absolute pleasure to be with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.